Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your My Jewelry app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to skip mode selection page, clicking this sign. So like you see this color show for us here. That's mean skip mode selection page enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.